Welcome to A Vikings Kitchen. We do things a little bit differently here, as a Viking would. So if you're looking for those 45-second cooking videos, move on down the line. We're here to teach, instruct, educate, talk about the quality of food, what types of foods, where they come from, originations, and also we're going to impart a little bit of old ancient Gnostic Viking wisdom here and there. So stick around, it's going to be great. Those are looking good. And one more try. What's your prized fruit that you farm? What's your favorite?
Grapes. Thank you. Oh, you guys are wonderful.
Thank you.
I love it.